Take a look at this problem. Question number 541. Indefinite integration 2022, 27th June, shift 1. So here in this question, you can see integral x square plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square multiplied by e power x dx. They are saying that it is equal to f of x into e power x plus c, where c is constant. And after finding this f of x value, they want to do 3 times derivative. And after doing 3 times differentiation, you have to substitute x value 1 in that. Now now that value is equal to how much? Option 1, 3 by 4. Option 2, 3 by 8. Option 3, minus 3 by 2, and option 4, 7 by 8. And here in this kind of scenarios, you should remember one formula. Whenever you see in the problems e power x, you should remember these formulas. Okay, whenever you see e power x in the problems, you can remember e power x dx is equal to how much? E power x plus c. Integral e power ax into dx is equal to what? E power ax by a plus c. And also e power x of most of the cases f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Okay, these are the general formulas you can see with a combination of e power x. And sometimes you can see e power x into f of x dx. Then in that case, e power x of f of x minus f dash of x. Okay. And plus f triple dash of x and minus and so on. How many differential derivatives you can do for that function f of x? You can substitute those all values. And with e power combination, you can also see e power ax of sine bx. Okay. And of course, sometimes you can see sine bx plus c also, but we valid only b. And in this case, the answer is e power ax by a square plus b square of a sine bx minus b cos bx. Okay, also we can find some with a cos combination, and the formula was e power ax. It's not a formula class. E power ax by a square plus b square of a cos bx plus b sine bx. Of course, so you can add constants to all of these answers. I'm not writing the constant. Okay. And now coming to the present problem. Here, this is a combination of this formula. So that means f of x and f dash x are completely merged with each other, and we got this term x square plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Okay. So how to identify that it was this is the particular formula will be used to solve this question? It depend upon your practice. If you practice so many problems, then automatically you can understood which formula will be used to solve some particular questions. Okay, it depends. So it depend upon your learning formulas, how many formulas you know. If you know thoroughly the formulas, automatically you can identify the problem. Now see how I am solving this problem. First I want to create x minus 1. Can I write this one? X square minus 1 plus 2. If I simplify x square minus 1 plus 2, again I am getting the previous step x square plus 1. First I am writing like that and divided by x plus 1 whole square into e power x dx. Okay, understood. And next we can separate the terms like expressing f of x plus f dash x. So x square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square of e power x dx. Understood this one? And you can see this x square minus 1, you can write as x plus 1 into x minus 1. Okay. We will express x square minus 1 as x plus 1 into x minus 1. Understood this one? And whole divided by x plus 1 whole square. And the second term, I am not changing anything in that. Okay. Multiplied by e power x dx. Understood? Now this is equal to. Is there anything you observe to cancel? So yes, x plus 1, you can cancel it. And x minus 1 by x plus 1 left in the first number. And in the second number, you can see 2 by x plus 1 whole square into e power x dx. Now what I am doing is I am taking this one as f of x. Okay. Here one more formula you should know for better calculations. So I am mentioning here that formula d by dx of ax plus b by cx plus d. So remember this formula x plus b by cx plus d is ad minus bc by cx plus d whole square. ad minus bc by cx plus d whole square. Okay. Always we are using this formula later also because we need to do 3 times derivative. Okay. There. If f of x is x minus 1 by x plus 1, comparing with ax plus b by cx plus d, then what is f dash x? F dash x formula is ad minus bc by denominator cx plus d whole square. Okay. What is a1? D is 1. So 1 into 1, 1 plus b into c is also minus of minus 1 plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square. So what you got? This one. This one clearly it is f dash x. Okay. So all the things are accordingly, all the things are settled properly. So therefore you can write directly e power x into f of x is the answer. Plus c. Okay. So e power x into what is f of x? X minus 1 by x plus 1. So comparing with f of x value will be x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Okay. So understood. So now Look at the problem. F of x, we understand it is x minus 1 by x plus 1. And after that, we have to differentiate this f of x 3 times. After 3 times differentiating, we have to substitute x value 1 in that. So first I am doing f dash x. F dash x we already done, it is 2 by x plus 1 whole square. Okay, and from this we will do second derivative. What is second derivative? Second derivative is it look like 2 into 1 by x square derivative. 1 by x square derivative minus 2 by x cube. Okay, remember all the formulas. Okay, that it will be minus 4 by x plus 1 whole cube. This is second, but we need third derivative. So write down third derivative. So minus 4 times of, what is 1 by x cube derivative? 1 by x cube derivative is minus 3 by x power 4. So that means minus 3 by x plus 1 power 4. And we need third derivative at x value 1. So minus into minus plus 4 3s are 12. And divided by 1 plus 1, 2, 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is 16. So 12 out of 16. So 3 by 4 will be the answer of this question. Okay, we will identify which option is correct for this question. 3 by 4, the first option is correct for this question. And I created a playlist. Please, this video is also as a part of the playlist. You can go and check the playlist and you can utilize this opportunity. And share it with your friends also. They also be benefited. Thank you.